watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to today's video on beautiful fall lantern decor ideas. If you're looking to add a warm, cozy glow to your home this autumn, lanterns are a perfect choice. Whether used indoors or outdoors, lanterns bring a touch of rustic charm and ambience to any space. Let's explore some simple and creative ways to incorporate lanterns into your fall decor. Lanterns with pumpkins. Pair lanterns with small pumpkins or gourds for a classic fall look. Place them on your mantle, coffee table, or entryway for a festive touch. Candle-filled lanterns. Place candles inside your lanterns to create a warm, glowing atmosphere. Opt for autumn-scented candles like cinnamon or apple spice to bring the fall scents into your home. Rustic wooden lanterns. Use rustic wooden lanterns to enhance your fall decor. These lanterns work beautifully in farmhouse-style spaces and can be paired with other natural elements like dried leaves or pine cones. Lanterns with fall garland. Drape a garland made of fall leaves, pine cones, or wheat around your lanterns for a cozy, autumnal touch. This is a great option for decorating your mantle or dining table. Vintage metal lanterns. Incorporate vintage metal lanterns into your fall decor for a timeless and elegant look. Place them on your front porch or in the entryway to greet guests with a warm, inviting glow. Outdoor lanterns for the porch. Use large lanterns filled with candles or fairy lights to light up your porch during those cool autumn evenings. Pair them with pumpkins and fall wreaths for a cozy welcome. Lantern centerpieces. Create a simple fall centerpiece by placing a lantern in the middle of your dining table, surrounded by small pumpkins, acorns, and autumn leaves. Lanterns with fairy lights. Instead of candles, fill your lanterns with fairy lights for a soft, twinkling glow. This option is great for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Lanterns with burlap and wheat. For a rustic fall feel, decorate your lanterns with burlap ribbons and wheat stalks. This adds a natural, textured element perfect for autumn decor. Lanterns with fall flowers. Add a pop of color by filling your lanterns with fall flowers like mums or sunflowers. This brings a vibrant, cheerful touch to your fall display. Hanging lanterns. Hang lanterns from hooks or tree branches for an outdoor fall party or gathering. This creates a magical, floating effect that lights up your garden or patio. Lanterns with dried corn. For a harvest-inspired look, place dried corn husks around your lanterns. This works well on a front porch or dining room table for a fall feast. Lanterns with plaid accents. Incorporate plaid fabric or ribbon around your lanterns to add a cozy country feel. This is a simple way to bring a traditional fall pattern into your decor. Layered lantern display. Create a layered display by placing lanterns of different sizes together on your entryway table or mantle. Add fall elements like pine cones and pumpkins to complete the look. Lanterns on a rustic tray. Arrange your lanterns on a rustic wooden tray, along with small autumn decor items like pine cones, acorns, and mini pumpkins to make an eye-catching centerpiece. Lanterns are a versatile and timeless addition to fall decor, bringing warmth, charm, and light to any space. Whether you prefer rustic wooden lanterns or vintage metal ones, there are so many ways to incorporate them into your home this season. Thank you for watching, and I hope these ideas inspire you to create your own cozy fall atmosphere. Be sure to subscribe for more decor tips and ideas.